Alright, guys, welcome back to another episode of Banker Break. I'm going to be cracking packs today from both Turkey and Final Fantasy. Let's see how many we get. We're going to be doing 3 today. One, two, and we'll do 3 from here. Alright. Riverwalk Technique, Coordinated Maneuver, Narset's Rebuke, Delta Bloodfly, Sultai Rebel Strike, Stormshaker Barrel, Storm Beacon Blade, Rainveil Rejuvenator, a Veteran Storm Singer, Frontier, another Maelstrom, Bone Crane Butcher, Jungle, and a Bird Monk token. Number 2. Got a Piercing Exhale, Snowmelt Stag, Storm Plane Denial, Seize Opportunity, Outrider, Heritage Reclaimed, Reputable Merchant, Aegis Sculptor, Salt Road Skirmisher, a Mammoth Bellower, Knockout Maneuver, Winter Night Story, Summer Intimidator, Small Backwater, and Soldier Token, and Blast. You're not alone. Blaze Bomb, Fight On, Goshaw's Screen, Magic Dampen, Hill Giants, World Map, Zack Fair, Esper, Elixir, Clash of the Ekros, the Moon, nice. Side quest card collection, full art planes, and an art card. Alright, thanks for joining me today. See you guys next time.